Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how can you download NPM. So for downloading it, you have to download Node.js. So let me open here Google Chrome. So now search here for the Node.js download. So now go to this first link, download Node.js. So here you can see we are on the official page of Node.js. Now scroll down. And from here you have to select your operating system, like I am on the Windows, so I will select here Windows. So here you have to select the architecture which you are running on your computer. So as I am on the x64, so I will let it be the same. Now click on this Windows installer. So here you can see installer is downloading. So it is of 31 MBs. It will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So now as you can see here, the downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer on your computer. So as you can see here, it is now computing the space requirement. So by clicking on next, you can start the installation. So you have to click on next, then maybe an agreement. So here you have to click on this, I accept, then click on next. Then you have to select here the location where you want to install the Node.js. So now when you click on next here, this will give an option, another next. Then when you click here install, the installation will start. Now after the installation of Node.js, press on Window key and now search here for the command prompt and open it. Now here inside the command prompt, write here npm v. So here you can see the version of npm is showing here. So if this is showing, means the npm is installed correctly on your computer. If not, rewatch the video and try to install Node.js correctly. Also, you can try this command node v to know whether the Node.js is installed correctly or not. So here you can see the version of Node.js is showing here. So if these both are showing, means the npm is correctly installed and you can start using it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.